Fix time zone settings grayed out in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Install Windows updates. Method 3. Enable location services. Turn on the location services and let apps access your location options. Method 4. Modify the Windows registry. Set the value data to 3 to enable set time zone automatically, or 4 to disable it. Method 5. Use the Group Policy Editor. Set the value of Turn off Windows Location Provider setting to Not configured. Click Apply and exit.